Good morning, students. Today our topic is organ pipe. What is an organ pipe? Organ pipes are musical instruments which are used to produce musical sound by blowing air into the pipe. So, organ pipes. In that we are having two types of organ pipes. One is the open organ pipe. What is an open organ pipe? So open organ pipe means here in that pipe one end is closed, both the ends are open, then that is called as the open organ pipe. So especially we are for that example flute. So we are playing the flute. So for that flute we are having the two ends are open. So this is the example for the open organ pipe. So in that flute we can create the different types of sounds. So how they will be? So based on these are the basic fundamental frequencies. So what are the basic fundamental modes in that open organ pipe? Now we will discuss. So first one is the open organ pipe. What is meant by open organ pipe? The pipe in which both of its ends are open is called open organ pipe, like this manner. So for this end will be open, 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 and this end will be open, this end will be open. These three organ pipes having same length. Here length is same for this also. But you can observe this diagram what you concluded. So we can at the open end we are getting the antinodes. Here antinode, here antinode, here antinode, 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 and antinode. So in between, for it is the in case of first mode you have to take in that first mode. So across the ends two antinodes, one node, and second mode in between the antinodes two nodes and one antinode. In case of third mode, so in between the antinodes two antinodes, three nodes. Nodes are one, and here two, and here three. In between there is no antinode, here one antinode and two antinodes. So the questions may be like, in first mode how many antinodes in open organ pipe? There is no antinodes. In the second case, how many antinodes are there? Only one antinode. So the questions may be like us, also asked in objective manner. So now we will go for the in first mode. You can observe this diagram. From antinode to antinode, what is the distance? Lambda by 2. From antinode to node is lambda by 4. You can remember this point. What is that? Antinode to node is lambda by 4, or node to antinode. But node to node or antinode to antinode, the distance is equal to lambda by 2. And at antinode, the displacement is maximum at antinode. At node, the displacement is minimum. Okay. So in case of the first mode, what is the distance here from antinode to antinode? What is the distance? Lambda by 2. But in case of second mode, antinode to antinode, here lambda by 2, and again antinode to antinode, lambda by 2. Total the distance L is equal to here 2 into lambda by 2. Here in case of third mode possibility, antinode to antinode, again. So totally 3 possible. 3. That means 3 into lambda by 2. So from that L is equal to, in this case diagram, lambda by 2. Here L is equal to 2 into lambda by 2. Here L is equal to 3 into lambda by 2. From that lambda is equal to 2L. Here lambda is equal to 2L by 2. And here lambda is equal to 2L by 3. What is the formula for velocity? Is equal to nu lambda. Nu is equal to V by lambda. And nu1 is equal to in case of first mode, I will take n nu1 is equal to v by lambda. What is the value of lambda we are getting here? 2l. Here you have to substitute 2l. And in case of here 2l by 2, and this 2 will goes up, then it is will become 2 into v by 2l. And here in case of third possibility, so nu3 is equal to v by 2l by 3, 3 into v by 2l. So in case of nu1 first mode, v by 2l, nu2 is equal to 2 into v by 2l, nu3 is equal to 3 into v by 2l. And this one is called as the first harmonic, and it is called as the, it is a integral multiple of the first one, that's why it is called as the second harmonic. And it is the 3 into multiple of first two, that's why it is called as the third harmonic. So it is the first harmonic, second harmonic, and it is called as the third harmonic. That means first, second, third. So all harmonics are possible here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is called, in case of 4 into v by 2l. Next 5 into v by 2l. So all harmonics are possible in open organ pipe. Here how they will be related? Nu1 is to nu2 is to nu3. So here nu1 is equal to v by 2l, and nu2 equal to 2 into v by 2l, and nu3 is equal to 3 into v by 2l. So v by 2l, v by 2l, v by 2l. So cancel. Nu1 is to nu2 is to nu3 equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. So here all harmonics are possible in case of open pipe. So all of you observe this diagram. So in case of open organ pipe, where antinodes are across the ends and a node in between them. So in case of second mode like this, and third mode like this. So best example for the open organ pipe, flute is the best example. And next we will go for the closed pipe. What is a closed pipe? The organ pipe in which one end is open and another end is closed is called closed organ pipe. Here one end will be open. So best example for that, whistle. So you are already observe. So one end will be open. You can sound will be, that means you can send the air in that. So we are getting the sound. So for this you are having the one experiment, that is the velocity of the sound you have to determine, and also you have to determine the unknown frequency. So for that one of the experiment in your lab based on this. So now we'll go for that. So here this end will be open and this end will be closed. Open, closed, open, closed. All these are having same length, but in that, so different modes of vibrations now we are discuss. So in case of first vibration, so here at open end, that means open boundary, always antinodes are formed. At closed end, always nodes are possible. So here it is the rigid boundary. Simply it is called as the rigid boundary. Across rigid boundary we are getting node. Across open boundary we are getting antinode. At antinode the displacement is maximum. So all these three modes of vibrations, the length will be same. That's why I will draw diagram like this manner. So here L is common, but at open end we are getting antinode, and at a closed end we are getting the node. So here the sound wave will be sent like this manner, and it will be gets reflected at a closed end, and it will be come back like this, and these two will be interfered, and we are getting the resonance frequency. So in this case, what is the length? So from antinode to node, what is the distance? Lambda by 4. So here in case of first mode of vibration, what is the length is equal to lambda by 4. In case of second mode possibility, what is that? From antinode to node is the lambda by 4, and here again node to antinode and antinode to node. So lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4. Totally 3 into lambda by 4. In case of third mode possibility, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. that means 5 into lambda by 4. So from that lambda is equal to 4L, here lambda is equal to 4L by 3 and here 4L by 5. So already you know velocity is equal to nu lambda, nu is equal to v by lambda. In case of first possibility, nu1 is equal to v by lambda, we are getting 4L. You have to substitute here. Nu1 is equal to v by 4L, nu2 is equal to v by 4L by 3, nu3 is equal to v by 4L by 5. So it will be reciprocal, and nu1 is equal to v by 4L and 3 will be goes to up, 3 into v by 4L. So then 3 into v by 4L, but what is the frequency we are getting here? First fundamental frequency is v by 4L, but it is 3 multiples of the fundamental frequency. That's why it is called as the third harmonic. And it is similarly here, it is the fifth multiple of the fundamental frequency, then it is called as the fifth harmonic. So here you have to observe first harmonic and we are getting next third harmonic, but there is no even harmonics are not possible in closed pipe. Only odd harmonics are possible. Only odd harmonics are possible. So in case of closed pipe, which harmonics are possible? Only odd harmonics. In case of open pipe, all harmonics are possible. So what is the fundamental frequency in case of open pipe? V by 4L in that. In case of closed pipe, in case of open pipe, V by 2L. In case of closed pipe, V by 4L. Open 2 by V by 2L. And in case of closed, V by 4L. So based on this, we are having the one example problem. So a pipe of 30 centimeters long is open at both ends. That's why it is called open organ pipe. So which harmonic mode of pipe resonates at 1.1 kilohertz source? So here what is given? A pipe of length is given 30 centimeters. That means how many meters? 0.3 meters. So which harmonic mode? It is the first mode harmonica, second harmonica, third harmonica, like that the question will be here. So in case of open pipe, what is the fundamental frequency? Nu is equal to V by 2L in case of open pipe. In case of closed pipe, nu is equal to V by 4L. So it is open pipe, it is the fundamental frequency. It is a fundamental frequency, and here fundamental frequency is equal to V by 4L. So, and will resonance with the same source is observed if one end of the pipe is closed. So you can solve the problem in case of open end and closed end. Open pipe and closed pipe, and take the speed of the sound is in air at 330 meter per second. Here velocity you have to take in the value 330 meter per second. So then nu is equal to 330 by 2 into L. L means here 0.3. So 0.3 how many times? So simply 3 by 10 it you have to take, and 3110. So this will become up. So 2 5 is a 0. So how I will do in 330 by 2 into 0.3 can be written as 3 by 100 and 3 by 10. So 10 go up, 31100, 2 5 is a 5500. So that means 550 Hz in case of open pipe. So it is the first mode. Then what is the second mode? Nu t is equal to 2 into nu1. That means 2 into 550. That means 1100. Here in that question, what is the 1.1 kilohertz? Which harmonic mode? 1.1 means 1100. Already we are getting 1100. That means it is the second harmonic in case of open pipe. So what about the closed pipe? What is the fundamental frequency? V by 4L. So then V means 330 by 4 can be written as 2 into L means 0.3. So already we derived this value 330 by 2 into 0.3, that is 550 by 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 15, 2 7s are 2 5s. That means 275 Hz. It is the new one. But here in case of a closed pipe only odd harmonics are possible. Next one, which harmonic is possible? Nu 3. So 275 into 3. So what is the value you are getting? Around this value will be 825. But in case of Nu 5, 275 into 5. That means around its value 1375. But what is the value required? 1100. This value we are getting 275 into 4. But fourth harmonic is not possible. So this mode of harmonic is not exist in case of. So which harmonic? So will resonance with the same source be observed if one end of the pipe is closed? So we are not get it. Why? Because so in case of closed pipe we are getting only odd harmonics, not getting even harmonics. So that's why we are not getting. So it is the example problem. So based on this, so many questions may be asked in case of objective manner. So like the questions may be, in case of open pipe, in case of open pipe, what is the fundamental frequency? V by 2L. And in case of open pipe, which nodes are possible? Which nodes are possible at open ends? Only antinodes. So the question may be, which nodes are possible means only antinode, one antinode and another node, or node and node. So none of these. The questions may be like that. So which nodes are possible across the ends? Only antinodes. So you can clear to observe the diagram and you can clear to read the question, then answer. Okay. Bye students.